Welcome to biology, study of life. It's a sciencey science in which we will lecture about all sorts of incredible and sciencey things. No. So let's start from the beginning. In biology's early years, there were the earliest biologists to go with it. It was these scientists who developed the scientific method. Now, scientists today have it easier than they did by far. With much more advanced tools of science, much like this one called the microscope. Also in biology, there are the characteristics of life. There are many of these characteristics, such as growth, reproduction, and metabolism. Speaking of which, these plants photosynthesize and use respiration. This is the process by which they take sunlight and convert it into energy so they can grow even more. And then there are cells. Oh, there are so many types of cells. There are both eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. The eukaryotic are the more complex of the pair, with more organelles and more little doodads, and the prokaryotic are the simpler. Then there are cellular reproduction, which involves mitosis and meiosis, the process by which cells split and divide to create even more cells out there. Biology also encompasses genetics, which is the study of how traits are passed on and inherited by organisms of different generations. Of course, we could not leave out classification, the organizing of organisms into groups. These groups are known as the kingdoms of life. There are 6 of them, and all life that we have found to date fits into one of these kingdoms. And finally, there is the theory of evolution, which gives one explanation for life's development and inhabitants. So there you have it, biology in a nutshell. It may seem like a sciencey science, but it's nothing to be afraid of once you get to know it. And I can assure you, it's definitely a lot of fun.